YouTube channel, the best YouTube channel in the world. Welcome back to Phayte Effects, guys. So today we're going to do something really fun and interesting. We're going to learn how to turn our old clothes into a bucket hat. And so guys, I said earlier, we are actually going to be learning how to turn my old skirt. Yeah, let me show you this old skirt. We're going to learn how to turn this baby girl into a bucket hat. If you know you want to learn how to recycle your old clothes, then stick around for this video. In case you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribing button. Like this video, drop a comment. I always love seeing your comments. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification. I'm going to be giving a post notification shout out at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around from the beginning to the end. You guys know the drill. You know how we do in our DIY videos. Let's get what? Let us get creative. Not that dance. See, you guys, I've been addicted to this dance since I don't know. Okay, not that dance. But anyway, let's just get what? Let's get creative. You know the drill.
So now that we have our measurements, it's time for us to draw it on our interface.
Sunshine.
So after drawing our shapes on the interfacing, it's time for us to cut it out. Now it's time for us to cut our skirt open, and the good thing is that it came with a lining, so I guess I don't have to buy another lining or get another lining for this bucket hat. Okay, so after cutting our skirt open, I am just ironing the interfacing on it. The point of the interfacing is to make the material hard, so that's the reason why we actually need to use an interfacing. So you remember the second piece and the third piece that I showed you earlier? We need two materials for it. So when you're cutting your materials, you need to really be careful and fold that material that you're using so that you can get two materials from it. Oh, and do not forget to pin your materials together, because it actually makes it more easier when you are cutting it with your scissors. Ooh, we're done cutting out our materials. I'm going to be explaining how the smallest piece actually became the longest piece in the next clip. So As you can see, we just cut out our lining and it looks exactly the same with our material. Okay, so I promised to explain the reason why the smallest piece actually became the longest piece, and this is because the material was folded. I showed you guys when I was cutting out the material, I told you to fold it, so this is exactly how it looks like when folded. So please note that the second piece and the third piece needs two materials. I think I've said this before, but I'm still going to say it again for people that skip. So what I am doing right now is that I am sewing the edge of the second piece materials together. Remember that there are two materials, so I'm sewing them together. Now it's fine if you don't understand what I am doing. I'm also going to be making another one with jeans in this same video, so I promise you'll understand. So guys, I actually ran out of pins, so I'm just trying to improvise with pegs. Now I know some professional tailors might be like, no, this is a no, and I'm sorry, but I'm just improvising, okay? So as you can see, I am clipping the first piece and second piece together, and the second piece and the third piece, which is the longest piece, together. And after clipping it with my peg, I'm going to sew it. So guys, I'm going to be using this old jeans dress to be making the second bucket hat that I mentioned to you guys earlier. So this one, I'm just really going to mix both materials together, my jeans material and the skirt material together. I'm just really, trying to look for that nice combo. As I said before, you need two materials, and over here I showed you guys the two materials I was talking about. And do not forget, I said you sew the sides. Yeah, this is me looking all rugged by 2 a.m. guys, I was sewing. But anyway, I love doing this for you guys. So guys, after sewing the edges together, good news, I later found safety pins, and that was what I used for this one. So I'm just going to use the safety pins to clip the first piece and the second piece together, and I won't lie, it was actually more easier than the peg. After sewing all our pieces together, it's time for us to turn it over so we can see how it looks like. Can you see our bucket hat is already taking shape? So right now we're going to sew our lining and sew it into our bucket hat. our bucket hat is ready.
Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video because I obviously did enjoy it. Now you can use anything you have to make a bucket hat, a jeans, skirt, trouser, in fact everything. You can use anything in your house to make a bucket hat. So I'm actually going to dedicate this full video to my friend Omotoso Oluwatomiwa. Thank you so much for dropping this suggestion in the comment section. The last video I did was a hairstyle video and most of the guys were just like, okay, this is a video for girls, so I'm not gonna comment. But he actually went there to put this crying emoji and was like, please do a video for guys. So that's the reason why I'm going to be doing this, bucket hat video, because I feel like guys actually relate more to this trend. So anyway, thank you Tomiwa, this video is for you. God bless you. Okay guys, I'm also going to give a post notification shout out to 4 people today, and the reason is because you guys showed me so much love on my last video and I'm just feeling happy. So first of all, I'm going to give this post notification shout out to Karen Veren. Thank you baby girl for turning on your post notification, for always sharing my videos, for liking and commenting on my last video. God bless you baby girl. Mwah. I'm also going to give a post notification shout out to Oge DK. Thank you so much baby girl for liking, for turning on your post notification, for sharing, for being so supportive. I love you. Okay, so the third person I'm going to be giving a post notification shout out is Ezekiel Dorcas. Thank you baby girl for turning on your post notification, for always liking, for always commenting, for always sharing my video. Thank you so much. You're an amazing person. Now last but not least, I would like to give this big post notification shout out to Life of Fatima. Baby girl, your YouTube channel is so amazing. I'm so happy that I actually inspired you to start your own YouTube channel. I see what you do. You're an amazing person. Thank you so much for turning on your post notification. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for always sharing my videos. I love you. Okay guys, so if you want to be featured on my next video, then make sure you turn on your post notification, like, comment, subscribe if you have not, please, and do not forget to share, and share. Please tell all your family members, your friends, whoever, please tell them to share. The goal is actually to get 1,000 subscribers, so please share this video. Anyway guys, I think that's all for now. Don't worry, the next video is going to be soon. I swear I'm not even going to be non-consistent. I'm going to be as consistent as possible. Next video is going to be lit. I promise everybody's going to benefit from the next one. I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Woo! I'm so excited. I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Peace out guys. Welcome back to the best YouTube channel. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, the best YouTube channel in the world. Welcome. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Phayte, guys. So Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the best YouTube channel in the world, Phayte. Hey guys, welcome back to the mommy. See, it's not as if I'm taking. Raise up now.